條條大路通羅馬。條條大路通羅馬。
It is a common idiom we use in our daily life, but not many people know that it is from a Western idiom all roads led to Rome. All languages are evolving, Chinese too. We are absorbing a lot of Western ideas and terms into our language, but some Chinese scholars think our language is westernized too much, for we forget the equivalent terms with shorter, or sometimes meaningful than the Western one. We can actually use the idiom
殊途同歸。殊途同歸
to replace
條條大路通羅馬。
For example,
殊途同歸，你用邊個方法都得。殊途同歸，你用邊個方法都得。
in English, it means all roads led to Rome. You can use either method. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.